Okay, today is McKenna's 2-month birthday. Her mom decided to give her a baby Playboy cover shoot for a present.
Jesus.
Well, tell everybody what you're doing here, Mom.
I'm seeing how big she gets compared to the bear every month, huh? So yeah, we're gonna keep right on doing this.
It's
Even when
cool.
you're trying to run away from me.
It's going to be a real pain in the ass if that bear starts growing.
Don't swear. Okay. Ready? Smile at Mama. Or don't. Says. You're a lot more active than you were last month, huh?
That's a good thing.
Huh. Let Mommy take one quick picture, okay? Hi. I know, it's exciting. Oh. Bear's on the move. You're not going to make this easy for me, are you? Hi. Hi. Hi.
Come on, let's see one big smile.
Oh. Hand down. Boom.
Big smile.